Hey everyone! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're talking about one of Lexus's most iconic luxury SUVs, the GX. But here's the twist. There's no 2026 Lexus GX 460 coming, because that legendary V8-powered beast has been replaced by something even more exciting. Let's break it down. For years, the Lexus GX 460 ruled the mid-size luxury SUV segment with its powerful 4.6-liter V8 engine. Known for its reliability, comfort, and impressive off-road capabilities, the GX 460 became a favorite among adventurers and families alike. But after an incredible run, the GX 460 officially retired at the end of the 2023 model year. It wasn't just the nameplate that changed, it was time for a complete reinvention. In 2024, Lexus introduced the all-new third-generation GX, a bold step forward in performance, technology, and design. And guess what? There's no GX 460 anymore. Instead, we have the Lexus GX 550, powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine. This turbocharged V6 might be smaller than the old V8, but don't let that fool you. With advanced engineering, it delivers better fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, and plenty of torque to tackle any adventure. Now, here's where things get really interesting. While the GX 550 is already making waves, Lexus has hinted at a hybrid version arriving as early as 2025 or 2026. Will it carry the GX 460 name? Probably not. Industry insiders suggest names like GX 550H or GX 450H are more likely. A hybrid GX would combine the best of both worlds. Electrified efficiency paired with the rugged capability Lexus owners expect. Imagine climbing steep trails while sipping gas, or maybe skipping the gas station altogether for short trips. So, if you were holding out hope for a 2026 GX 460, I'm sorry to say it's not happening. But trust me, this isn't a loss. The future of the GX lineup is brighter than ever. Whether you choose the GX 550 or wait for the rumored hybrid variant, you're getting cutting-edge tech, unmatched luxury, and the same go-anywhere spirit that made the GX famous. Lexus didn't just replace the GX 460, they evolved it. And honestly, we can't wait to see what comes next. What do you think about the new direction for the Lexus GX? Are you excited about the GX 550, or are you hoping for a hybrid option soon? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.